Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition for Cricket Wireless. So the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is now here at Cricket Wireless, as it's now available for $199.99 if you guys put your number over to Cricket Wireless, which is pretty cool. You guys will have a graphite color option, so if you need a new number, it is. Alright, so if you're a new customer, porting over your number over to Cricket is $199.99. If you're an existing customer, it is $449.99 if you're upgrading to this phone if you're an existing customer. So yeah, $200 for this phone is a great deal. Perfectly a steal. So yeah, there's the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. You guys got your whole punch set for your front facing camera there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Left side of the phone has nothing, and you have a bit of a camera bump down the back of the 3 camera lenses, right? And then speaking of the back, is a triple camera system, camouflage Samsung logo. So pretty cool. You guys can also pay monthly for it, $10 a month with the firm. So you guys have the option to pay monthly for it. So whatever option is best for you. So the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition has a 6.4-inch display, 50-megapixel main camera, 128 GB of storage. It says get more out of your passions with the phone that's designed to elevate your everyday. Whether you are binge watching shows or capturing shots for social. Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is jam-packed with features that help you get more out of whatever you're into, including a long-lasting battery, a premium processor, a smooth and strong display, a triple lens camera, and more. Features: a dazzling display that's strong and oh so smooth. The impressive display of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition makes your content scroll smoothly and look amazing, while Adaptive Vision Booster automatically adjusts the screen brightness based on the surrounding light levels to keep your eyes happy. Plus, strong Gorilla Glass helps reduce scratches on your display. Take on the busiest days with super fast charging. Galaxy S23 Fan Edition keeps you focused on what matters and off the battery bar. With a battery that supports super fast charging, you can power up quickly and get back to what you love, right? Due to all processing power, give your live streaming, video editing, and social content creation a boost. With the premium processing power you expect from Samsung Galaxy, you can do more of what you love from the palm of your hand. So it's pretty cool there. Specs: the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition runs Android 13 with One UI 5.1, so that's pretty cool. Dimensions: 6.2 inches height, 3.0 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. It has a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED Infinity L Full HD Plus display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and has a flat screen. So if you guys like flat screens, there you go. It has up to 128 GB of storage, and I think it is 8 GB of RAM. So pretty cool there. You have Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABG and AC, AX, and R. Mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling, Type-C, Bluetooth 5.3. Cameras, you get 3 of them in the rear. 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 8-megapixel telephoto camera lens in the back, and a 10-megapixel front-facing camera. Alright. It has an octa-core processor, 4500 mAh battery here, and that compatibility is there. And yeah. So, yeah, there you guys go. The Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is now here at Cricket Wireless. So if you guys are porting the number of the Cricket, it's $199.99. If you're an existing customer and upgrading to this one, it's $449.99. So it's definitely worth the $200. You can put your number of the Cricket and get it. Definitely worth $200. Definitely still at $200, but you gotta put your number over the Cricket to get the phone for $200. So I think it's worth every penny. It doesn't matter if you're paying $200 or $454. I think it's worth every penny. And if you guys like Galaxy phones but don't want to spend over $1,000 to get one, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition is the phone for you. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.